Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In these videos, I go over trade setups and opportunities that you might have missed from the previous week. The goal is simple, to help you see that the market offers solid opportunities every single week if you know what to look for. Trading is not about predicting what will happen next. It is about recognizing when the conditions align with your edge and then executing with confidence and discipline. Some days will bring great trades and others will end in losses. That is just the nature of the game. What matters most is that you stay consistent, keep risk small, and let time and probabilities do the work. With that said, let us take a look at what trade opportunities were available on Tuesday, the 21st of October, 2025. Let's start off with the US30. Right at the 9:30 a.m. open, we saw a liquidity sweep at a key level, setting the stage for potential action. This is that classic initial grab we watch for, often signaling where the smart money is leaning. Then, at 10 a.m., a short trade opportunity confirmed according to the Intraday Liquidity Map rules. Unfortunately, this one hit stop loss during the very next 5-minute candle, resulting in a 1R loss. It is a tough one when trades get stopped out so quickly, but that is why we always risk only what we can afford to lose on each setup. No single trade should ever make or break your account. The key here is to shake it off, review what happened without emotion, and move on to the next opportunity. Losses like this are built into the edge. It is all part of the long-term math. Now, let us move on to the US100. Here, a liquidity sweep occurred shortly after the market opened, creating the confirmation we need for high-probability entries. This led to a long trade opportunity at 10:15 a.m., but it hit stop loss just 10 minutes later for another 1R loss. Later in the session, before our trading window closed, a second trade opportunity emerged. This one also a long, and it carried over into the next trading day before ultimately hitting stop loss as well, adding yet another 1R loss. Double losses on the same index can sting, but remember, we are not chasing perfection. We are playing the probabilities. When multiple setups appear, we take them if they align, but we never revenge trade or force anything outside the plan. Days like this test your discipline, and passing that test is what separates consistent traders from the rest. Before we continue, if you are still watching and getting value from this video, do me a massive favor and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and keeps this content coming your way. And finally, let's look at the US500. Similar to the US100, a liquidity sweep happened shortly after the open, aligning with the morning dynamics we often see. This confirmed a long trade at 10:15 a.m., which played out over into the next day before hitting stop loss for a 1R loss. Notice how the indices showed some correlation in their setups, with liquidity grabs leading to longs on US100 and US500, but a short on US30. That is the market for you. Sometimes it syncs up, sometimes it does not. The Intraday Liquidity Map helps us navigate it without guessing, but outcomes like this remind us that no strategy wins every time. We execute, manage risk, and trust the process over the long haul. So, let's summarize the performance for the day. We had 4 trades in total, 1 short on US30, 2 longs on US100, and 1 long on US500. All 4 hit stop loss, leaving us with a combined result of -4R. On a $100,000 account, risking 1% per trade, that is a loss of $4,000. Days like this are inevitable in trading. They feel rough in the moment, but they are the price we pay for the edge. The important thing is not to let them derail you. Do not widen your stops, do not skip setups, and definitely do not chase losses. Stick to the Intraday Liquidity Map, keep your journal updated, and remember that consistency through the reds is what leads to the greens stacking up over time. Let me know in the comments if you took any of these trades, or if you spotted something interesting that I might have missed. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay disciplined. Follow the Intraday Liquidity Map and execute it with no emotions, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.